Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video on this rainy Sunday afternoon. Today I'm going to decorate for the month of October. September ends on a Sunday, so there's no room in this spread for a cover page or a quote page, so we're going straight into the month. And I already prepared this beforehand because it's just a boring part of the video. I mean, we're all here for the decoration, right? So yeah, I did that beforehand, and because autumn or fall, however you call it, just started, I thought it would be only fitting for a typical fall theme be this month's overall theme, or overall just for the monthly spread, because I already pre-decorated some of the next spreads, which aren't completely fall-ish, but yeah. So I collected these beautiful colored leaves outside, and I really want to incorporate them somehow. I have my mushroom stash here and my leaves, some glitter that I think fits the theme perfectly, some stickers, and of course all my other supplies are also here. Let's just get started. First, I have this little tag that I really want to use as a page marker because I really missed that for last month's spread. I mean, it sticks out a little bit, but not enough. So I'm going to place this here, but not yet. So just going to puzzle around and you'll see me do that in a time lapse. So for me, fall or autumn is my favorite season. I just really like it. I like sitting inside, drinking a cup of coffee or tea on the couch, just watching the rain. I don't know, I really enjoy those moments, and I love the changing of the color of the leaves. I could never live in I could never live somewhere where leaves don't change, so where you don't really have the seasons, because I don't know, it's something I really look forward to, and just it feels kind of cozy to me or something. It has something really nice. I actually changed my mind about this card. I want the corners around it. So I'm thinking of moving up next month's video a little bit more early, not the week before, maybe even the first week of the month, or maybe this month it will be the second week, because it really bothered me that I could not use this spread because I wanted to film this video and I didn't want the dates all over the internet. Or not the dates, but my appointments. And yeah, so I wasn't able to use this spread, and what is a planner for but to plan, actually, so it was very impractical. So I might film the next video for November, maybe even today, so if I have the same nail polish, but I won't include it in this video. And I'm putting this heavy hand on top so the leaf stays down, because it's wanting to curl up a little bit. And while that dries, we'll just start decorating here. and that is why glitter is terrible. But yeah, I'm probably going to clean this up and find glitters everywhere for the rest of the week. Maybe here if I'm unlucky. But I think it's worth it. So yeah, this is it for this month's spread. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm quickly going to fill in all the dates and appointments that I have for the rest of the month. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. But wait, there's more. I am actually doing a giveaway. If you've seen my Instagram, then you might have seen these envelopes already, but it's because I am doing this giveaway on Instagram as well as on YouTube. You don't need to follow me on both, but it gives you an extra chance. So what you can win is one of these 3 envelopes. Of course, there's, as you can see, there's one that is quite a little bit bigger. It's also double the weight of these small ones, and it's not really the first prize, but I feel like it's the most wanted, also already on Instagram. But yeah, I'm going to show you what is in here and then I will explain the rules. So to give you a little bit of a sneak peek, this is the first package. It contains this leather keychain, stickers and other goodies. This is filled with goodies, and then this bunch of paper is also in there. And this first package is called Vintage Botanics, which is important to remember for the rules I will explain later. The second one I named Playful because doesn't it look playful? And wait till you see the inside, if I can. Yes. So it contains a lot of cute stickers and playful quotes and paper, sticky notes. And this is also filled. And here is another little sneak peek. And then last but not least is this one, which I named Bold Colors. It's a bit of a more random curated package. Contains these papers and all the goodies are stuck in here, but maybe now you understand why I called it Bold Colors. And on the inside is also more of the brighter colors. So to enter to win one of these packages on YouTube, all I ask of you is that you subscribe and then comment which one of these 3 packages you would like to win the most. So Vintage Botanics, Bold Colors or Playful. Put that in the comments and you will automatically be entered. I will double check if you are subscribed, so don't subscribe to unsubscribe. And yeah, just a reminder for an extra entry or even up to 3 extra entries. Follow me on Instagram and go to the picture that says triple giveaway for the rules. Again, thank you so much for watching and good luck with the giveaway. I will announce who won the giveaway on YouTube as well as on Instagram. There will be 3 winners and all of the entries will be combined from Instagram and from YouTube. And on YouTube I will announce it in my next video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope I will see you next time. Bye!